Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here again for String Tech Workstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. The pro guitar techs by nature are a pretty inventive bunch. I'm bringing you in to show you a bridge slotting jig that I've been using for the last 20 years. And I have sold these to my level 2 students in the guitar repair and design courses at the college that I taught for 23 years. So we live in an age where the corporate agenda dictates that your intellectual property is theirs. So engineers and inventors, in parentheses, sign their life away to whatever corporation they happen to be working with, and whatever ideas you come up with are not yours. It's a bit of an incentive killer, really, because artists and artisans, by nature, create. And whatever your religious stripe is, if we were made in the likeness of the Creator, then our greatest calling is to create. I don't want to go all religious on you. My own beliefs tend to lean more towards the indigenous view of the Great Spirit or Great Creator. So this is a jig I've used for hundreds and hundreds of guitars, slotting bridges and getting the intonation 100% on the money. So we really have multiple geometric challenges to contend with in coming up with a universal design that we can use over and over again for different depths of bodies or different body shapes. So this plate, as you see, kind of straddles the guitar, and what I have here is a plexiglass template that is essentially a duplicate of the Bosch Colt router base. This center pin is an indexing pin, and these little spring clips act as a positive stop. You have seen this in other videos. I've never done any type of crowdfunding initiative. I'm just kind of putting it out there for all you guitar techs. If you think you may be interested in helping out with the crowdfunding campaign, send me an email and let me know. So let's get on with the job here. So I've already calculated the trajectory of the compensated saddle cut from the first string to the sixth string. Now with my plate and that indexing pin, I can toss that on the platform, slide it along. This is my positive stop for the treble side. This is my positive stop for the bass side. Much like the neck surgery kit that you guys have used, I have these windows cut in the indexing plate, and it allows me to really get a good read on the trajectory of the cutter long before I flick the switch on the router. Darcy did that cherry burst on there, which is what the customer asked for. And of course we've got a compensated nut. These are 12 to 53 strings tuned to concert pitch. So let's go into the studio and we'll sit down and let you hear this thing. It plays silky smooth. Well, the 62 Southern Jumbo, if you want to call it that. I remember when Jay showed up at my door with that thing after having fallen and sat on the top. You'll see a whole series of video links that shows you what I did to get this guitar to sound and play like this. string spacing on this neck was very tight. This guitar is a whole package for fingerstyle or pick. I'll send this video out to him today. And I'm sure, coronavirus or not, he'll be showing up to pick up this baby.